my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
I mean leave and go to England in the early days, you know.
Mass James.
And he carry him for pretty girl from a neighboring district.
In the dollar than the girl?
Yeah. Pretty. So him left England now and come home for her and married her and carry her to England. And then did a few years tell him building house, work. He don't make the woman work. So he have him money and he build house. Come home all the while, both of them travel, go build a house and go back. So when he was finally done now, he come home. Meanwhile, he might go and come, he might plant up a place. And somebody did there take care of it, you understand me? So when he finally come home now, he come home for good. Jesus Christ. You look at the woman there no master. Not even me moon. When the moon full, no round, so you know, brother. No, man, not even a full moon, no round, that. Round and sexy, no bitch. You hear me say, man? Anything that the woman drop and you that took up in your meteorite, man. The woman shine and nice. So, the man get a contract in the town to deliver goods, you know? Deliver product like, because man have everything in place.
The whole for farming.
The whole for farming. So you have a link at town part, you go deliver. So the woman go in a town. She don't go in a town, go sell no £1 and nothing. Just go deliver.
Deliver harder.
Yeah, by harder.
Yeah.
So by so going on why one man, one day, a younger man, come from England, come out with a truck. You know what they call it, the truck there?
What?
Lighthouse.
Why they call it so?
No pure light. All lighter and reflectors.
All over it?
All over, only inside of the body. One Beckford truck. A light, at night you can, you know color the truck because a pure, only day you can see.
That's supposed to be pretty when it comes to at night time.
Even daytime is pretty. Red, blue, it paint up pretty. You see the man, say my laugh. That even tongue you can see, you know. Pure gold in their mouth.
Oh, gold upon in teeth them?
Holy pa gold, man. Yeah, man. So him coming here and start car market people. And for real, you know, I car market people. So the woman, the penny market running store. So you know, say normally 1 or 2 women have to drive up front with the driver.
Yes.
Yeah. So that Mr. James' wife now driving a truck front. And he's go and tell she don't want no woman else driving a truck front. And she alone for driving a truck front.
She fight out the other woman them. So Mr. James' wife did look older than Emmanuel driving before truck.
Yes, they're a young boy.
Oh.
The woman hold on him enough, man. Enough. She hold on him enough. But he have this nice truck and he handsome. Beautiful, nice boy. So, then the man in the 30s, the woman in really close 60s. But she look damn fine, you know, boy. Boy, Jesus, if that the woman dropping anything wrong, me I take up in your meteors. Hey, pretty. So, all of a sudden, she collect money. Pan truck. Alright. People start to smell the rat, you know.
Then start to changes.
Changes are going, man. Now she also sleep in a market. All of a sudden she not sleep in the market again. That man is drop off market people and gone on Friday evening and Saturday evening go pick them up back. And the man in the market all time and I grown in a market a circle around the same way, man. And the man they go to market Thursday evening and by Friday night
she reach back home.
Yeah, she come back home. She sell out give out the yard and she take bus come home. Normally that used to happen. But when the
She
truck man,
deliver the order, then take bus come home.
right.
Okay.
So when the truck man start up now, she not come home pan that the time again. She come home normally with the people in Saturday night pan the truck. Because that woman a come from market because she just sweet. Eagle people never say she not sleep in the market again. She just come in the early. When she have to come back in there. And they go and tell everybody fine. So them hope the man the eye man, the husband the eye. Husband said, listen to me man. The longest day of a hen. And everything with Susan see out there want. In free if you go take it. But when you take it, nobody can come give me. Take it for yourself. And she will come home and washing clothes and cooking food. And he look load, give her just as usual. He not say nothing.
Just make everything flow normal.
Normal. And he truck come a load and go up there and talk to the truck man normally. Everything smooth. People say, what an idiot man. The man say, listen to the man. You know what, no tell me nothing man. And my life and the woman's life, man. The man just, I believe the man he love her that so much that she could have done anything. I believe said that, you know. Because normally, our normal man where we not really sit.
No, say that I go on and just
say nothing.
And just work with it.
I believe
that's crazy, man.
I believe the man he truly loved the woman. That what else me could have said. But anyway, when I love him, I say no, I saw it around. So he go and tell couple years ago and see when the man, a new man. I saw the woman a flex, I go and see we and not change it. Till she start visit doctor now. Diabetes. Trouble, you know. And you can't find to say, some of them limb so. Say, you know, some of them limb so start cut off. And some of them branch so start drop. And he start to get white. Some of them strong nice limbs there start to Papa, you say time. Oh, it's about time, man. Just wait for time, man. Anything you want to see. I give you mama, say mama, where you make your mouth so long. Your mama say yeah.
Come.
When you come, you will see. Anyway, I'm going to see you tell the truck driver now. So I don't find no flavor in that again. So the cheap, I said you man take all the man money which she send go to market, but you all tire put pan truck. Run things. Brother, when the man start to sidestep her, see they all boat, walk up and down, and look for the man truck, and of course, when he hears a certain girl and that man they deal, wow. And the man just, I say, diabetes take her off good. And she have to stop go to the market. So, doctor tell her say she can't eat no salt. Cut off of the salt and cut off of the red meat. And she take sick. And the man, you know, so the man up front for every case where she call upon. Doctor tell Mr. Man, you've make sure your wife no eat nothing. He say, all right. He said, the man I could give her 2 finger banana and a piece of salt mackerel, no master. People say, Mr. Man.
Then the doctor never tells you enough to make sure eat no salt?
Yes. He said, me a cook.
So revenge him I take?
I feel him type of revenge and ras. When maybe Sunday evening he give one little piece of, give little rice and piece of fried saltfish and little salt mackerel.
So just pure saltfish and salt mackerel?
A piece of shad.
Every pure salt?
When you give him a piece of meat, you just fry it dry, tough like a bark. You man get some other woman in that area. You know some woman merciful, you know. No, I go and cook like a soup and carry give her some, you know. And I get a good tea and carry give because my man me not feed her a bumbo lad. Whatever me give her that a food.
So you think why never just deal with it then or there when you just find out?
No,
why
no,
have to wait until that the time?
The man say heavy. The man say every day have a hen. No matter how long he must hen. And anything you find on the road, you keep that ras to yourself. Me not help you with you.
You should have just deal with it then and there.
Well, I know. I saw him, I feel him Bible that I saw him read it.
No.
So, she get really sick. So Dr. Sen call him. I mean, at about a couple of months, in a couple running a years, you know. She did it and she have baffle tell she really take down. So Dr. call him up one night and say, come on, Mr. B. I want to tell you right now, say, you know, if you put yourself together, you know, because your wife not have far to go, you know, Papa. I can't walk on. Her heart get bad, her kidney get bad, her disc get bad, and the diabetes make it worse. So, put up yourself. So, man say, doctor say, you want to take her home, or you want to make she stay in her, she make she stay which part she can get the care which part she want until when the time come. The man come home and yard and call to her friend. And say, you let me go to a hole here, sir. And then the day time I drink rum and bun and tobacco and dig hole.
That time she never did it?
No. And he call one man and say, look on a room, this in another room, this is so board. Take out some of them board and build one box. My bill is like so. And deeper boat like so. And he say, Billy, board up, make up for me. And one day finally he get a message. So the wife dead. And he just say, alright. He just yeah. Me see something say. If it's a seed shall reap, I shall reap. But if I pay back, what a wrath of a payback she get.
Boy, may I tell you?
The man say, alright. We get $5 say she dead now. He hire one Land Rover van. And say, come we go to other place which part of the woman there. And he just throw the box in the Land Rover van back. And drive go down there and say, they push out. Can't go there, push out the woman. He said, put him in the box, sir. And just drive the Land Rover, go home. Drive Sunday in the night. And people say, no man, you can't bury woman, so man. I say, come out of my yard. Come out of my yard. They go to police and the policeman they say, you can't stop him from bury her. The way she have bury her. A dead woman. And dead bury for him. I saw him bury. So then you can't stop him from do it. We can't do nothing to him. I bury my bury woman and I know him kill the woman. Mr. Man said, me made it and so when they come out the hole now, I saw stone come out of the hole. You know. When I take it to the rope, I he's down the back in the hole. When I say rope bust, so the back you know and lean so. Man said that's alright man funny and when somebody go to hole, you know. People say then, we had to go to hole so deep for. He said when me done this ras hole I see, a little bit topside Satan me I put this fucker. Little bit topside Satan. Man they go that hole about 10 feet deep man. He said that fucker must go deep. He said when
his heart did really break, man.
When I put the
his
back,
heart did really break.
Mash up.
And he not say nothing.
No.
And he carry all of that weight and grief
all
and
that weight. And that's Uncle Soika. And another long time man dead, you know. And that 2,000 man, the man finally dead, you know.
Me know say, I can't tell me how you talk about the other day. You say right there on the spot then and there I get it over with. I saw me that deal with it too. Me not wait until how much years after. But I saw him deal with it still.
Well, I know. I believe that man beg God to give him time. To take for him own revenge, his own way. Because brother, funny years, funny truck man tap come in a year. A couple of years it didn't go on, you know. When the truck man tap come in a year and the Chevy tap go market, the man no warrior. The man no do nothing. She gets somebody to come to help her wash when she couldn't wash. The man will pay them too. And the man no say nothing. When she finally sick, the man say, when they put it, the wickedest part, when they put it back to in the hole, the rope bust, and the back to down and leans. I say, no man, funny on that surface, you good man. I start roll on some big blood class stone. You see, when me done with this woman here, a little bit topside Satan, me I put this fucker. Oh, a deep, sir?
Deep.
Sure.